Hey, this is Mike with Jane Reviews. Today I am reviewing this sample provided by Coofandy. So this is a flannel red and black shirt, size small. So it is a little big on me, even though I'm normally a small, but as you can see the sleeves are a little bit wide, but that's okay. It's not that bad. It has its buttons here. It is a little big, but it's very nice for like a Christmas seasonal occasion. You can wear it anytime if you like red and black. I like red and black. I really like the colors. I just wish it was a little bit smaller on me, but it is really nice, comfortable. It's not itchy or anything like that. It's a little bit thick, so it'll keep you definitely cool. That's what it looks like in the back, and in the front you have the buttons here. So it does run a little bit long, as you can see. So but if you're taller than me, you'll be all right. So yeah, so it's nice, comfortable. I like the seasonal color of it, so I hope you check it out, and thank you, Cofendi.